You know what I love? Lasagna. You know what I don't love? Calories. What it do, fam? It's your clever home cook here, and I made a low-cal version of one of my favorite pasta dishes, lasagna. This one I made without pasta though. Check it out. We going in with that 99% lean ground turkey. I'm gonna use this crazy tool I ordered off of Amazon to break it up. Check it out. Thing works good, right? Switch to a regular spatula. Just give this a good mix. We're trying to get some color on that meat. Time to season up. Gotta add that spice in your life. Add that salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Give that a little mix. Look at that close up. Oh yeah. Put that meat into a bowl, set aside for later. I'm about to cut up our veg. As always, we start off with an onion. I'm gonna try to speed through this part because I don't want to brag about my cutting skills, even though I am getting better and I am a little proud of that. But you just want to make sure everything's cut into uniform pieces because I want this to be a nice chunky sauce. We don't want that watery pasta sauce. We want a nice meaty, chunky, full of veg sauce so that it's healthy and delicious. So I'm just cutting everything into about 1/4-inch pieces. You saw there I got an onion, I got 2 cloves of garlic, and I got a bell pepper. Next we're going to cut up 2 medium zucchinis, same deal, small uniform size, and a handful of mushrooms. Put that all in a bowl, get it ready to saute up. Hit that pan with nonstick, throw that onion and garlic in. Just get a little sweat on those things before you throw the rest of the veggies in. Alright, it's looking good. Put some salt and pepper. We're seasoning in layers here. We got to make sure everything's got flavor. After that, added about 4 cups of spinach, and we're going to let the meat come back and chill with his homies in that pan. As you can see, this sauce is going to be full of goodness. I'm going to hit it with some white wine to deglaze that pan. Give it one more mix before I add the pasta sauce. Now don't laugh that I'm using this jarred stuff. This stuff's good, low cal, and it's cheap. So why not save some time on top of saving calories, right? Give that a good mix. Give it a little taste before I put it into the lasagna. Needs a little bit more of salt and pepper, so I'm going to add that. And we're ready to go. Yo, this sauce looks so good, I might have to throw a premature money shot up in here. Yup. Alright, time for the cheese filling now. I got a 16-ounce container of ricotta cheese. I added a 1/4 cup of eggs, and I added some parsley there, along with some salt and some pepper. You're going to get a whisk, and you just beat that shit up till it's nice and creamy. It should look something like this. Remember when I said I wasn't using pasta for this lasagna? Here's why. I'm using roasted eggplant and roasted butternut squash, and I'm telling you, man, you won't miss that pasta at all. This shit is bomb. First thing I do is add just a real thin layer of that sauce on the bottom so that this butternut squash don't stick to the glass, and then layer on a thin layer of that butternut squash, just like you would lasagna, but not. Alright, now we're going to use about half of our ricotta mixture, and we're going to try to spread this shit out without messing up the bottom. It's harder than it looks. This is probably the hardest part about the whole lasagna, is just smoothing out this cheese. A little annoying, but I got it done. Next, I'm going to add a layer of sauce to the top of that. And we're just going to layer this bad boy together. I'm going to add a thin dusting of Parmigiano, just for flavor. I'm trying to use about a 1/4 cup for the whole recipe to keep the calories low. Next, we're going to add our eggplant on top of that and just spread it out evenly, and use the other half of that ricotta cheese. Spread that out. It was a little easier over the eggplant, but still kind of annoying. Add another layer of sauce. Spread that out. Light dusting of Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to finish it off with the rest of that roasted butternut squash. As you can see, I didn't make enough, but you just spread it out kind of, as much as you can. If you don't tell, I won't tell, so who's gonna know? We're covering it with sauce and cheese anyways, right? Actually, I just kind of told you, but whatever. Anyways, I added some fat-free mozzarella cheese on top, and then the remainder of the Parmesan cheese goes on top of that, and topping it all off with some parsley. Look at that shit, man. That shit looks bomb, boy. Alright, now we're going into an oven, 375 degrees, covered with foil. We're going to bake it for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you're going to remove that foil, throw it back into the oven for about another 15 minutes just to get that cheese nice and golden brown, and it should look something like this right here. Look at that. It's all ooey and gooey, man. I'm telling you, you won't even notice the pasta's not in there. Little semi money shot there. Here's the money shot, boy. Check it out. Nice and cheesy and saucy. Damn, this looks good. Alright, here it is. This total recipe made this made 8 servings of lasagna. Each serving only has 328 calories, 32 grams of protein, 32 grams of carbs, only 10 grams of fat, and 12 grams of fiber in each serving, y'all. Man, if you're really hungry, you could eat 2 of these servings and still be under 700 calories for a big ass meal. So don't feel guilty, eat what you want, use the right ingredients, and cook it at home. Please like this video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and you know the drill. We'll see you on the next one, y'all. Peace!